Aha, welcome back to Off the Grid Living with the Sardine News. We are in lockdown 2020 and we've got a 2.5-year-old baby Jake, and there's one way to keep him busy is get him in that veggie garden. Do you miss school?
No.
Well, you can get that another day.
Ah, Jake's back.
Oh, he's doing something else.
Okay.
Weedy. The best de-weeder. Chipping hammer. Bang, bam, bam. Whoop, out.
Tomatoes. Composti.
Compost.
Very important.
Let's put that. Cleaning that area there is going to be a pumpkin patch.
Okay, groovy.
Butternuts, gems, baby marrows,
Okay, great for the smoothies.
Yeah, the little oaks at the moment, but you got to give the big oaks space, so you start eating these little oaks.
Okay.
So, if I got a bunch that are all together, I've got an area where.
What are these things again?
Space. These are cabbages.
Ah, cool.
So we'll take the baby cabbages.
Yes.
And then as the cabbages grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger, we'll make more space for them.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just spacing them out.
Along here.
Yeah, you see like... Stand there by the lot.
No, Jake, careful of the cabbage. Ooh, don't stand there. Jake.
The garden.
That one, yeah.
He knows where the garden is.
Kind of. That's it, Jake. That's it.
So what we did, when we first got your ticket, we just stepped on. We first got here, we dug this hole.
It's a plastic earth.
Oh no, it's a plastic earthwork. We dug this whole place out, from that side to that side.
Yeah.
And then we put all the leaves and all the cut-offs underneath.
Yes.
And then we put soil back on top, so that underneath there is all compost.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool, that's why,
Yes, good stuff, eh?
that's why it's looking so good. Too fresh. But we're planting, oh there's a new grower there.
Ah, cool, the millies.
I planted some other stuff in there. Quite nice, you see this water system. It only gives it when it needs it.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, so I filled it up this morning. And then we planted all of the other stuff, celery and roquet and lettuce, and hopefully that'll come out right.
Okay, right, man. Keep up the good work.
Yeah. Well, we had a lot of rain, so we got a lot of mold on the tomatoes. So we're busy thinning those out.
Composting.
Yeah, they got to get rid of it. It's rot, you see, like this.
Yeah.
That's just a problem, man.
Damn.
So we thinned it all out again and we start over, but we've got some healthy looking little oakies here.
Delicious.
Yeah, some nice little buds.
Yeah, so quite simply, you've got the space. Get it together and do some toil and get your veggie garden growing. Because at Johnny's house here, where I've been through lockdown 2020, luckily, we've been eating a salad every single day from this garden. So, yep, bon appetit. Or bon appetit, I suppose. Okay, ciao till next time. Please consider subscribing. And yeah, good luck through lockdown. Ciao.